There is a quality that you infuse into the items in your Avinash Infused shop called Soul Rejuvenation.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful sounding word, and I would love to hear your perspective about what that truly entails.
Soul rejuvenation is, see, our soul, our spirit, really within us. Rejuvenation is like it's basically that infusion. What it does is it basically gives your soul a makeover. It gives your soul a makeover, or you call it reconditioning. It's a motor, gives a recondition. Or if you're a Christian, they'll call it reborn. Reborn. Basically, the soul it just rejuvenates it. It just cleanses the deep pains and clears it out and just gives it more aliveness and spirit. You start to kind of more spark, and you look forward to life and living the adventure of life.